Hello everyone, my name is Jenny and now I can tell you the duck pond. This is the duck pond. The duck pond has so many ducks there. The duck color is white. The duck is so small and cute. They are swimming on the water. It has so many ducks there. The duck is saying quack, quack. I don't know what they are saying, but duck cannot say any word like people, like me too. They only say quack, quack. See? You can hear many ducks say quack, quack. You can hear it.
Yeah.
It is a very noisy pond. Yes?
Yes.
Now the duck have two legs. They can swim. They have fins on their legs and they can swim because they shall wiggle their legs with fins and they can swim. See? And now I can show you the cows up there. The cows is very, very big. I love taking grass for cows, but it's too far. I cannot see it. The cow is eating grass on the hill. The duck is very cute. I love it. I cannot see a duck before. So many ducks. The people buy it and take them there, and they call it a duck pond because it has so many ducks there. And the people buy it and take them there, and they can do everything they want. But don't get lost. Ducks can born eggs, and the eggs can hatch, and inside the eggs is so many cute little ducklings. You can say ducklings.
Duckling.
Ducklings.
Ducklings.
You add an S.
Okay. Duckling. Right?
Ducklings.
Ducklings.
Good.
Yeah.
And the grown-ups duck, you can say duck.
Duck.
And you add an S and you can say what?
Ducks.
Good. Add an S, we need to say just like a snake.
Yeah.
The snake say. When you add an S, because it has so many ducks there, you can add an S inside the word, and you can say ducks.
Ducks.
And ducklings.
Duckling.
And the ducks is swimming. They are very, very kind to each other, but they are scared when they see people there. They will scared and they are so scared